Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use the Thunderbolt ports on your HP SPECTRE x360. So both of the Thunderbolt ports are located on the right edge of your laptop. One is right here next to the charging port, and the other one is right here at the corner. Both of them can give you up to 50 gigabytes of transmission speed, and can be used for various reasons, so for various purposes. So you can, for example, connect an external device to it, like your smartphone, or a USB flash drive that can use the USB-C port for connection, or you can also use both of these ports for connecting a second external monitor by getting yourself an HDMI adapter like this, and then you just connect this adapter into your Thunderbolt port, and after that you will have two HDMI ports on your computer, one on the left edge of it and the other one on the right. Besides, you can also use both of these ports for charging your device if you have a USB-C cable that is connected to the AC adapter that has the capacity of 135 watts. And there are many different purposes you can use this ports for. For example, if you're not satisfied with the amount of internal storage in your device, you can connect an external SSD to one of them and get yourself another terabyte of storage with very decent transmission speed that you can basically use just like your internal storage. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.